So we're going to be writing a piecewise function off of a table. So what I usually do is find the different slopes and their different, like where they separate. So to do that, you find the slope. So this one's +2. But then it changes here. So I'm not going to do that one. So I'm going to come down to this one. And that's -5. And so is this one. So now I know this is different. So I'm going to put a star there to say that this is a totally different function than this one. So that's going to be a separate line when you graph it than this one. Okay, and then this one is +5, so it's going to be different than -5. So I'm just going to skip it. It's going to be -1, and then same with this one. So put a star there. So when you graph it, this will be one line, this will be another, and this will be another. So to write the function of it, you can do point-intercept form or just y equals mx plus b, which I usually like to do. So you go y equals, for this first one, then you write your slope, which is 2x, and then you figure out where it crosses. And this one, on the first one, is really easy to figure out where it crosses because you can just go back one. So -2 from 2 is 0, and that's 0 as well. So that's all you have to do for that one. Then you have to write the domain. So for the first one, it's going to be a bracket because it includes it, and it's going to be from 1 to 2 because it goes from the x values. That's what your domain is in your x values. So it goes from 1 to 2, and then it's a totally different line because of the star. So then you start, this is 1, this is your first one, then you're going to start with your second one. With your slope is -5, but for this one, it's going to be kind of harder to find your y-intercept. So you can do point slope form. So for that, you do your slope first, and then, which is -5, then x minus 1x. So you can pick any point. Let's just do 4 for now. So -4, and then another bracket. Then you're going to add 2, but since it's negative, you're going to be minusing 2. So that's all you have to do for that one. And then for your domain, it's the same thing. So then it's going to be 3 to 5, and they're going to be brackets because these two aren't going to cross. Now, if the next one crosses, I can erase this one or the next one and put a parenthesis. So then that's another line. That's this part. Now you're going to come to this part, and the slope is -1. So you just go -1, and you can just pick a point. So 7. So x minus 7, and then you're going to add 3 because it's a negative. And then your domain is going to be from 6 to 8. Since these two didn't overlap,